Musclecars universe.
What's up guys, Andy here from Musclecars universe. How you guys been doing? It's been a while since the last video. Now all the restrictions have been dropped and guess what? We're back in business, baby. We're going to the Mangawhai classic car and bike show today. I have a very good feeling about this. Today is gonna be a great day filled with lots of action, lots of classics, lots of muscle cars. So stay tuned and enjoy the show, guys. We've got a few cars coming through here. Nice to see some classics and new schools like this Corvette, followed by that Bel Air. What a cool sight, isn't it? Look at this Mercury, guys. Yeah guys, you know what's coming. sleek, man, so sleek. That's a cool estate. Beautiful, beautiful Chevy Apache in this dark green color. Very, very cool Plymouth. Look at that. What the hell is this? Been waiting for this time for almost a year now. The restrictions are over. We're happy to be out and about again with all these beautiful cars. Let me show you this massive big block Chevelle 468. Look at that. Wow.
Yep. Oh, no,
nice.
No, my last name was
Beautiful interiors. Seems to be retrimmed. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Stunning. '69 Camaro, restock, nice caddy. This Chrysler, I think this is a New Yorker, could be wrong, feel free to comment guys. Amazing Impala here. The beauty of these cars is that they will never get old.
Oh, yeah.
They're old, but they will never get old. Real classics.
Yeah, that one.
This is the one that was in front of me coming here to the show. It's got a good punch, especially up the hills. 66 Mustang. Shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Camaro SS. Hidden lights. 396. Interesting. Very nice. 73 Corvette. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh yeah. Fully built, eh? Would never expect that. It looks like a sleeper. Probably the chunky tires at the back gives it away a little bit, but whoa, what's this? Studebaker. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Very minimal, no air conditioning. We don't care. That's how we like them. Then a Caprice 67. I love the front grille of this car. Bonneville here. Typical bathtub from the 60s. Look at those interiors, man. But let me bring you a real shiny star of this show. This is a Subaru Falcon from 1969, and honestly is the most pristine condition Falcon that I've ever seen here in New Zealand. These were made in Australia for lots and lots of years, and as you can see, even look at the interiors, like it's unbelievably clean and immaculate. This car is equipped with a 351 high-performance Ford engine coupled to a 4-speed transmission. Sorry guys for the voiceover, but there were lots of kids screaming and this part of the video didn't turn out as good as I thought. Another beautiful Cobra here. So many today, honestly. So many Cobras. And now another very special car indeed. Special because we don't see these very often in New Zealand. This Ranchero seems to be rocking a big block Ford, judging by the sound it made when it came in. We've got a B&M shifter there, a few gauges, a nice steering wheel, a few subtle changes that makes it an all-rounder, but still factory looking, which is what I like the most. And very straight panel work complete the picture. Here's another view of the interiors. Now, I'm not sure if this was retrimmed, and if it isn't, it's in stunning condition. A very well presented Ranchero. Do you agree with that? Leave a comment. And here we got this very nice Buick Grand Sport, also known as GS. Seems like the engine is being completely repainted, at least the external parts. Let's put this plate here to hide the air conditioner. Pretty cool. 445 Wildcat. Skylark GS. Very, very clean build. For a very clean car. It's very cool. Galaxy 500. We saw that coming in. Nice Impala, as always. Very clean cars. Clean interiors, everything. The works. This got a sticker from Texas Department of Public Safety. And here we have some sort of a Patina section, I would say, with this 57 4-door slammed. Look at that. '57 Chevy, and here this Mercury commuter estate. The longest car ever built, probably not, but still very crazy. And just look at the size of it. Look at the sheer length of this thing. In the meanwhile, you can hear some more wheelies coming through. Take it there, guys. Hang on. Despite being completely rusted out, the interiors are mint, like completely redone, retrimmed, the footwells, everything. You can see that. So it's a proper head turner, isn't it? Wow. Beautiful car. .528 stroker, Wheelwood 6-piston calipers, EFI, everything. Proper monster, huh? Street car. Look at that. Chevy T-Bucket, Evil Blue. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Do a fuel pump there. B&M shifter. And here we have this Pontiac Le Mans. All blacked out. It says 350. I'm pretty sure it's bigger than that. The sound is a bit more growly than a 350, so I assume it's bigger. Special feature. Willys coupe. It's a monster. You heard it when it came through this morning. Look at that. And then the interiors, fully caged. It's like the cockpit from an airplane. Like a bloody airplane, look at that. Unbelievable.
Look at that.
And here is that beautiful 66 Galaxy from this morning. Look at that. Very nice interiors. Another B&M shifter. Seems like the theme for this car show today. I really have a soft spot for Galaxies. I don't know why, they're just so beautiful. Just look at that. So clean. Interior's redone as well. Seems like the more the car is rusty outside, the more it's beautiful inside. And brand new. But yeah, that's how we like them. Treat them mean, run them lean. And then there's custom paint job flaming blue Camaro Z28. Always like the ducktail on these cars. An SDZ and this beautiful C10 350 Chevy. Very nice bow tie, reflective, very nice. He already won an award for best pickup truck today. Very, very clean, sleek, straight. Such a classic guy. I think I'm gonna get a truck before I get a classic car. And then 68 Motor GTX. This one's got a big block. Seems to be stroked because it's got such a noise. And look at that shifter, man. I think Mopar always had the best interiors. I don't know why, but I feel like that. 67 Camaro SS, my favorite model year, with the front grille with 4 headlights. This one seems to be straight up stock factory. It was definitely a revolution when this one came out, isn't it? You can tell by the lines of it. Short wheelbase, fast, nimble. Wow. And then another one here with a big block. Custom wheels, disc brakes all around, 4-speed manual. I love the steering wheel, man. Gauges. All redone, the interior is very nice. Blacked out details, as you can see. All blacked out, the wipers, everything. Matte black. Nice classic Chevy. Wire wheels. Red 39. If it was for me, I would remove the rear bumper, but this is a clean stock car from 1939, guys. 80 years old. Imagine that, almost 90. Wow. And then this Thunderbird, the first one today. Very nice logo. With the steering wheel slanted to the side. It was a custom feature for this model. A bit of a special feature here. This is an Australian-built Chrysler Valiant Charger. Looks to be in very good conditions, amazing condition actually. 1973, equipping a 340 cubic inch V8. And yeah, that's pretty much how Chargers looked like back in the 70s here in Australia and New Zealand. Obviously steering wheel on this side because it's Australian made. And that timeless rear end. Look at that. Hey buddy. Mercury Cougar 1968. This is said to be the fastest and the sportiest Ford related car ever made. I mean, that's what the Fordists say. What do you guys think? From a Ford perspective, is the Mercury Cougar the fastest car that was made by the Ford Group, Ford Motor Co? Let me know in the comments. And then another Ford here, a new school, brand new GT500 Shelby, 700 plus horsepower, crazy car. Just wanted to bring you guys this amazing Rambler. Look at that. Another car today with full wheels. Cool design indeed.
Now that silver 40 looking forward to the stripes on it.
Yeah, just check your photos again.
With the Kiwi money.
It's special feature here, guys. Look at that. 62, maybe 63 Nova. Yes, sir. Raised from the ground. Sporting a nice, I would say 350, maybe it's stroked. Sounded pretty good when it came through. Just want to show you the interiors, because we got the satin black exteriors, but look at the interiors, like full red. Ah, look at the gear lever, man, so red. That's amazing. Gauges, nice, very well executed, I would say. The satin black is so aggressive. Don't know why, but I feel like that. Amazing 351 Cleveland Mach 1 Mustang. Beautiful fastback. Manual too. Look at that. And then a convertible here. Beautiful. Red rod, anyone? Love these things, man. SS steering wheel. Roll bar. Look at the rear mirror. This is what makes this car special. They're not cars, they're rolling pieces of art, honestly. Welding is a very, very underrated form of art, in my opinion. So cool. And then there's Ford as well. This is Australian built Falcon, 1962, I think. Another Mustang here. Nice Holden. This 68 Firebird. And there's punch in the eye again. Yellow Ford Coupe. How cool is this thing, man? How cool. Supercharged, so it must be torque monster. Look at that shape, man. Look at the design. Unbelievable. I mean, there are literally cars everywhere, but let me bring you some bikes. This is a Moto Guzzi. I'm Italian, so I'm quite familiar with this. Everyone here seems to say Moto Guzzi, but it's not Guzzi, it's Guzzi. G-U, Guzzi. Then we've got a Harley. Actually, we've got many Harleys. Look at this bobber. Must be comfortable. Sitting on the wheel. Some more classic Harleys. I like the fact that they convert the front headlight with the newer one, the Halo. Some more Speedsters, an Indian. I actually prefer Indians to Harleys, but that's just a personal choice. This Harley's amazing, man. Deluxe. Wow, so shiny. 114 cubic inches, that's a monster. Wow. What's that? Almost 1800 cc, 1700 cc. This one is cool. Nice. A few Hondas, Triumph, another Harley. Oh, that's the winner of the bike section of the event. And a trike. There was a trike. Let me bring you a couple of mopars from today, guys. Plymouth Scamp, very, very clean, very sleek. Repainted everything. Very cool interiors. Mopar logo on the steering wheel. 73 Challenger, Guard Royal. This is a known car in the area here. You must have seen it before in my previous videos. Restock. 340, 69, big block Camaro SS, 396. Beauty. Fastest Camaro ever built from factory? Could be. I think probably 67 is faster with a 396, because I think someone was saying that the 67 and the 68 are slightly lighter than the 69. And now moving on to this beautifully painted purple Cobra. Look at that. But even more special, and I think this could be easily the car of the day, this replica Shelby Daytona. Truly an amazing ground up build made possible in New Zealand thanks to our certification process, which allows you to basically build anything you want and make it road legal as long as it complies with the rules. Now, one thing that caught my attention is definitely the Chevy motor that, to me, it doesn't belong in a Shelby, but maybe I'm just too picky. What do you think of that? Moving on to these two legends, absolute legends, 1970 Boss Mustang Fastback here in Grabber Orange, and then a 71 Fastback with this stunning color, probably one of my favorite colors, this bluish green. And honestly, I don't know what they were thinking about at Ford when they were designing the Mustang Fastback, but they really came out with a masterpiece. And then moving on to another legend on wheels, this 71 Roadrunner 440. It's funny how most people are mocking the rear end being ugly compared to the front end, but to me it's still iconic. And in case you hadn't had enough of Roadrunners, I'll bring you another one right now. This is a bit different because it's got different graphics and it's got a spoiler. I mean, these decals were just amazing, like Roadrunner. And I don't know, this one gives me some General Lee vibes. Seems like we're back in Dukes of Hazzard, although I know it was a different car. Definitely the Charger is different, but still similar platform with the iconic grille emblem. Just want to bring you guys more classics down around here. So we've got a nice Bel Air here, Patina again. So many 73 Corvettes, and this beautiful 66, 67 Dodge Coronet 440. Got a red on red, nice interiors there. Look at that 440.
Oh, I like the colour there, one. Yes, yeah.
And an Impala here, another Patina. This is on Accu Air suspension, so it's slammed. Must be a low rider.
That's 15 bucks a car, mate.
Look at this beautiful Pontiac. This electric blue, man, that just stands out so much. Another B&M shifter. Seems like the gauges have been redone. Straight up. And look at that. Wow. This beautiful Barracuda, 1965. Is this a 440? That's why it sounded so good. Proper sleeper. That's a sleeper. 440 65 Cuda. Wow. Now we have all the cars leaving and rolling out of the show. It's very nice. Skylar GS is so cool. So sleek, eh? last car of the day, guys, which concludes our video log of the Mangawhai Classic Car and Bike Show. It was a truly remarkable event, filled with nice cars, and even the organizers were stunned by the amount of vehicles that just turned out. What was your favorite car from this video? Leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I have recently started a TikTok account. You can find the link in the description below. You can follow me there too if you want to keep up with a more frequent feed of all the events that I attend and I go to. But for now, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.